Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your hosts. They're crazy, they're kooky, and they've washed especially for this evening. It's Sam and Mark!
Mark and I are about to get a surprise of our own.
We are?
Yep. Bring on the truck of luck! Hey, now there is something inside this vehicle other than Chimpy, but Mark and I have no idea what, but whatever it is, we just have to go with it.
Why did we agree to this?
Because we are stupid.
Yes.
And we didn't read the small print.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Chimpy, reveal our mystery guest.
How you doing, Joy?
Very good, thank you.
I think so, yeah.
So you're going to do that then?
Yes, you are. You're going to be taking part, and we're going to get these guys to dance.
All right then, well, we better go and get ourselves ready.
Yeah. But now, it's time for us to make fools of ourselves.
Yes, so, guys, what do we have to do?
Right, guys, you'll be joining in doing our Bhangra routine.
Okay.
And then afterwards, I will be judging you both.
Okay, interesting. So, that is our challenge, but how do you lot think we're going to do?
Right, studio audience, we're going to ask you to vote for who you think will be the best. If you get it right, there's a prize in it for you.
So, please make your decision and raise your cards! That's a lot of Mark.
Oh, I don't know, there's a lot of Sam as well.
I think you get it there.
Just.
Cheers, guys.
Yeah. It's me pigeon legs, mate.
And the shoes, obviously.
Yes.
Shoes.
Shall we get started
Okay,
then?
let's get in position. Okay,
All right, guys.
Here we go.
Go.
Okay, so the decision is down to you. You're going to be the judge.
The winner is Mark!
Sorry, hey, so it is a win for me, and it's a win for everyone who voted for me, because you will all receive a no-expense spared Big Friday wind-up toy!
Can't believe that. I've got the rhythm of the badger. Can't believe it.
Yes, you have.
Well, that was amazing. Thank you, everybody. Please give it up for our Bhangra dancers. Thank you very much.